Hi, welcome to the Autism and Behavioral Science program at Mohawk College. My name is Emily and I'm the Field Placement Specialist for our program. Congratulations on being admitted to a highly competitive program. We are going to have an amazing year together and I'm so excited to meet you in September on day 1, which is September the 4th. This presentation will provide you with a brief overview of the field placement selection process, as well as the necessary steps that you need to take in order to prepare for field placement. The Field Placement Specialist secures placement spots across a variety of agencies in different geographical areas. The Field Placement Specialist ensures that each agency meets the standards of the Autism and Behavioral Science program. Please do not contact field placement agencies directly. If you're interested in completing your placement at an agency not shown here, please contact me to discuss. The first step is to complete the field placement request form, which you can find in eLearn. Please select the Autism and Behavioral Science program, click Content, select ABS Field Placement, and then select the field placement request form. This form gives you the opportunity to make requests for geographic location, population, agency type, and lets me know whether you're available for evening and weekend hours, and gives you the opportunity to request for specific agencies. This form is due back to me by July 31st. Vehicle access is really important in our program. Many of our field placements occur at locations that are not accessible by public transit. As such, students are expected to either have access to a car or the ability to supply their own transportation when attending field placement. Mohawk is not responsible for providing students with transportation to field placements within or outside the Hamilton region. Access to a vehicle is required to travel to and from placement, and is also required to travel throughout the day to clients' homes or various sites in the community. Also, it's really important to make note of the fact that many of our placements are located outside of Hamilton, and that all students will have to travel for at least one placement. Once you've completed your field placement request form, please begin to complete your pre-placement requirements. These can take up to 8 weeks to complete, so please get started on these immediately. You can find out all the information that you need regarding your pre-placement requirements in My Mohawk. Log into My Mohawk using your Mohawk ID and your password. Select Academics and scroll down to Pre-Placement Services. Select Forms for New Full-Time Students and review all of the forms required for our program. Please request your police clearance between August 15th and 18th, as some of our agencies do require police checks to be dated within 8 weeks of the start of placement. If you're located in the Niagara region, please contact me immediately, as this process may take longer than expected. Please note that for Form C and D, which are your medical requirements, they do take up to 8 weeks to complete, so get started immediately. Do not wait until the beginning of September to get started on this process. For Forms I, J, K, and N, you can locate the information for these by registering in the course in eLearn. Please select Open Offerings in eLearn and scroll down and self-enroll in the Pre-Placement Services course. Please note that your pre-placement requirements are due to Pre-Placement Services by September 14th, 2018. Pre-Placement Services is available Monday to Friday from 8:30 to 4:30. They're located in room E338 at Fennel Campus. Their phone number and email address are shown on the screen. A variety of factors are considered when matching students with potential placements. Academic recommendations, geographic preference, population preference, and available placement spots are all taken into consideration when assigning placements. In order to receive your placement assignment, students must have met all academic prerequisites as well as completed all of the pre-placement requirements. Students who have met the pre-placement requirements by the deadline of September 14th are given their field placement assignments first. Agency information sheets are sent out to each student detailing their field placement assignment. If a student is unhappy with their placement assignment, they may choose to return to the selection process where they are rematched with one of the remaining placement spots. I hope that you found this brief presentation helpful. If you have questions about the field placement selection process, please don't hesitate to reach out to me either via phone or email. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you in September.